I am the owl of Athena, perched upon marble and midnight air. Shh. Many whisper that I feed on the small ones, the silver soft wanderer of pages, the book dweller tucked into corners of memory. Oh, but listen, they are not prey to me. They are keepers, guardians of quiet knowledge, the silverfish gliding like moonlight across paper. Shh. The bookmite resting in the folds of forgotten lore. I do not eat them because I know their work. They tend to time. They make old pages breathe again. Shh. Names and forms matter little. Presence is enough. Oh, in the stillness of the library night, we are simply kin.